Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, today I'm going to share with you a little grocery shopping haul. I had to go and finish my grocery shopping, the things that are involved during my first video that I spent $349. In this one, we spent at BJ's. We went to BJ's and we got two different items. My husband, we went and we bought some stuff, and then we remembered to get the dog food, fresh food. So the first time that we went in, it was $48.94, and then when we were in the car, we remember, and then we went back and it was $17. So $48.94 plus $17. Okay, and let's show you what. And then we decided also to go to Price Right because we needed some other things, but we didn't want to buy a lot of it. So we went to Price Right, and in Price Right we spent $43. So basically about $100, maybe about $114 or so. All right, guys. So let me show you what we got. Okay. And my refrigerator is full, guys. See, this is the dog food. So this is to be mixed with their dry kibble, and it's good for them, guys. This one have eggs, cranberries, sweet potatoes, and green beans. So this, of course, they have to be refrigerated. So we are going to put it in the bottom of the refrigerator. My refrigerator is full, guys, as you guys can see. Also, from BJ's, we got grapes, green and the blue grapes. We got that. We also have the 2 dozen of eggs for $8. So that was a good buy. And of course, milk. All right. And in Price Right, we also got the 2 ices. Let me see if I have any space in my freezer for the ices, because my freezer is full. But of course, my husband always makes a space for his ices. So here they go, right in the corner. Perfect. Right there in the corner. And we're going to put the milk. Guys, don't forget, my collaboration is coming up and you are all invited. April Shower Brings Me Flower. I started with this collaboration 8 years ago, and this is my 9th year. I am the original creator of it, but there are some running around out there. Also on Price Right, we have strawberries. They were 2 for $5, so $2.50. We got that. And we need a crouton for our salad. Sweetener. I picked up a chocolate and a yellow classic cake mix. Of course, brown sugar. We needed salad dressing. We picked up 2 vanilla extra for when I do have cereal at night, or for whatever you want, or for when I do cake from scratch. And of course, I picked pickles. I love pickle, guys. And they had whole black pepper to put on my grinder, guys. And by the way, I got good news. The last time that I weighed myself, I had a doctor's appointment today, this morning. Everything went wonderful. I told you guys, I am not killing myself doing exercising, and I'm not doing any dieting. I'm just being, taking it modified. I was a little bit feeling not too happy because I reached 160. Guys, my doctor weighed me today, and the last time I saw her, it was in February. Yeah, February. So February, March, April. Guys, I weighed 150 pounds. I am so happy. I lost 10 pounds. Just moving, walking. And yeah, guys. And I hit my target goal. So now, I'm not making these goals like to be like 30, 40, 50 pounds. No. Give yourself a goal, 5 pounds, hit that goal. When you give another 5 pounds and you hit that goal. But when you try to make yourself a big goal, it's going to take you a long time to lose it. And also, this is the bowl from when I brought it to my daughter. And also from BJ's. We got a Maxwell House Coffee. We also have a powder cream. And this time I went with a big bag of gold medal flour. It's 12 pounds, but it was $5, so not bad at all. So, and I have flour for quite a while. And of course, we have, and the water was purchased on Family Dollar, which I believe it was $3.99. So we got a tin of water. So guys, I'm going to leave you guys like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. And we'll be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.